mwakatobesheila JB, and I'm back with another one. Another one. So guys, I know. Don't chuck me. I beg. Hold yourself.
Bro.
I know I've been away for quite some time. Now, but I've got some content for you guys. So this was initially supposed to be like my end of June vlog, but I've decided to chop it up into 3 different videos. So the first part will be me going to Diamond Platnumz concert, which was on the 11th of June 2025, obviously.
Okay.
And then the second video will be me in Paris, because the first video will be ending with my journey to Paris, which introduces the second video.
Understand.
Guys, I've arrived in Paris. My trip to Paris for Fête de la Musique, which was on the 18th of June, and I stayed for 5 nights, so I ended coming back by the 23rd of June. And then the third video will be my trip to Ireland, which was on the 28th of June. No, it was the 26th or the 27th.
What?
I'm getting the dates mixed up because I went for Chris Brown's concert, which I think was the 28th or the 29th. It was that Saturday, so I'm gonna get the dates right. Sorry guys, let me come back. Okay.
Understand.
I've just checked the dates. Chris Brown's concert was on the 28th of June, so I started my travel to Ireland from the 27th. And guys, it was a whole dilemma with this trip, yeah, because like an idiot, as a dumb idiot that I am, I decided to wait till last minute to try and book my ticket, and obviously by then the price had doubled. Like, they were off the roof. Okay, they were like over £500. So me and my detective skills, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to get a train and then connect a ferry to Dublin, because that was the cheapest way. Okay, so that first trip going, it was horrendous. What the fuck? Like, it was crazy. So first of all, my train was delayed. Yeah, my train got delayed. Like, I don't know why it is with trains, but even with the Paris trip, my train got delayed 2 hours going to Paris. What the fuck? And then this time now, my train got delayed from London to Chester, and then from Chester to Holyhead. But the train doesn't reach all the way to Chester. It stops 1 station before Chester, and so I have to get off there and then connect to another train to Chester. And then by the time I get to Chester, did I lose my train? I think I got the train, and then by the time I got to Holyhead, I ended up missing the ferry that was connecting me to Dublin, that was gonna take me to my fucking destination. What the fuck? Bro, it was stressful. So the next ferry was going to be in 6 hours.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
And I was like, I might as well just book a hotel somewhere and stay over for the night, then catch a ferry the next morning super early. And that was the day of the concert.
What?
So like, guys, it was a bit hectic, but I was just too tired with the whole journey. It was taking me the whole day to get to Dublin. Somewhere where you can get to like that. I think it's about, what, half an hour or an hour by plane. Stressful is not even the word. I'm not even explaining myself properly right now, because boy, I don't even want to experience that again. The trauma, the PTSD is kicking in.
What the fuck?
I don't want to remember any of that bullshit. But we thank God we got to Dublin. Had a blast. I stayed with a friend. It was a lit ass time. At the after party, his DJ was doing his thing.
Okay.
And then the dancers came over as well. Had a chat to one of them. They were complimenting me about my grills, which I lost. guys, I'm sure you're gonna see my grills in the vlog somewhere. Okay. But yeah, so now I've got this jam instead, but I'm gonna replace my grills because they were too sick. They were just gorgeous.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
But yeah, so let me leave you to enjoy. Period. Continuing from Diamond's concert, after that I received a video from my connection in TZ, someone that actually works under Wasafi TV and radio, like he works for the social media, so he was able to get my music video on the TV. Okay, they were able to get my music video on the TV back in Tanzania. Okay,
Understand.
so guys, I'm famous.
Bruh.
I'm popular back home. I'm famous. I'm a celebrity.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So yeah, guys, I'll let you. I don't want to distract you guys too much with this product, please. Okay, but make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, stay tuned because the next video is the Paris. Okay, wait on it. We have a cafe section, I guess. Yeah, just finding my couch. We're into couch number 15. should be all the way down there. See you in Paris, guys. Guys, I've arrived in Paris. I'm just on my cab to the accommodation right now. I had some Popeyes when I was waiting for my car because it was a bit long. Booking this car. My cards were active and everything. So I'm literally 15 minutes away from the house. It's 10 minutes to 9. I feel like I'll probably have an early rest today so I can start properly tomorrow. My train got delayed today for almost 2 hours. That's why I'm arriving a bit late in Paris. I was supposed to get here by 6 p.m. but we literally arrived by 8 p.m. so that's like 2 hours here. So it was a mess. It was a bit of a mess at the station. Now we're here, so we leave. Okay, we leave.
Okay.
I'm finally at the apartment, but the lighting is so bad.
Bruh.
There's no proper lighting in here. Literally, the only light that they gave me is this thing here. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow so I can give you guys a proper tour of this place, because you won't be able to see everything properly, y'all. But give me till tomorrow morning. Okay, stay tuned.
Baby, wanna be